I live in Morton, North Dakota, about 4 miles north. Been farming here mainly all my life, I guess. I started farming with my dad in 1981 and I've been farming ever since, and was doing a few things in yield contests and things for the National Corn Growers. And I was always looking for something a little newer or something to try to help boost the yields a little more. And I started using a few of Conklin products and started using them and was really happy with what I found. A lot of the micronutrients and the fertilizer for the starter was exceptional compared to what I had been using. I'd maybe want to start selling this because it works so well and I felt confident with the products, and I wanted to decide to maybe make a little extra income, something on the side. In the winter times mainly. And once I started doing that, I liked what I was doing. I liked meeting farmers, seeing different situations throughout the valley. And after about 3-4 years of that, I became a sales manager with Conklin. And I've got my own organization with a lot of people working underneath me, a lot of sales managers, 4 district managers now. And things have been just going like a freight train. It's hard to stop it once it gets going. So. Well, the main thing in the spring we do a lot of starter fertilizer, and that gets delivered anywhere throughout the whole season starting in December. From pro ag trainings, we have farmers we meet and tell them about the products and how they're superior to other products on the market. And we deliver them mainly right to the farmer's yard. Some people want to try a little bit here and there, so I do have a little bit on hand that I sell to farmers. But 90% of it gets delivered right to that farmer's yard. They learn about how the micronutrients can help. We start out first with soil testing, showing how the soil tests can improve their yields. Maybe they're missing one little thing, one little niche they're missing. Maybe it's boron, maybe it's manganese. And we can throw that in the mix with the starter fertilizer, and the farmers are just amazed at what one little product can do sometimes. And we use the Guardian product, that's the nitrogen stabilizer, on every acre. I've used it on strips before, and it's just one of those things I use it on every single acre from now on. This is sandier ground, it's prone to leaching, and by putting that in, it just makes the corn so much greener. Okay, this is a strip till unit. I've taking my whole farm over to strip till now. With that, I'm putting fertilizer in a strip that I'll be planting right on top of. And we put some dry and liquid down, put some sidekick down. I put my nitrogen down this way with the Guardian products in it. And the efficiency with the strip tilling and the Guardian, I am growing 200 bushel corn on 0.7 of a pound of nitrogen. So it's just unreal what you can do and cut corners that way, especially at the high nitrogen prices and fertilizer prices in general. And then by using the 318/18 and other products with the planter, you're just saving that much more money. And my yields have actually increased by using Conklin, because I'm getting most of my phosphorus and potash from the 318/18 and starter fertilizers. But the nitrogen with the Guardian on goes down in and then doesn't change over until I need it in the spring. So it's a real nice fit for a strip till situation. And 2 weeks ago, this corn was pretty yellow, and it was starting to come out of it, so I foliar fed all the corn with some 918-9 and some zinc and a little bit of boron. Within 3 days, it started turning green, and look at it now. It's a completely different field. It's very good for just after the 4th of July to have corn up in North Dakota that tall. So it is unreal.
And so, do you know where this corn goes? Like, does it stay in the state, or does it?
It goes right to the corn plant. Cargill's got a corn sweetener plant just 10 miles from here. So whenever you drink a can of Coke, there's my corn. This particular corn, we put some sidekick on, Guardian of course, and 318/18 fertilizer. That's what the soil test called for. Also zinc, manganese, and copper. And as you can see, it's a nice green color. It's growing very well for the 4th of July, up in North Dakota anyway. And the plant, this strip in here, usually runs 200 bushels an acre real easy in North Dakota. It's a real good corn ground here. And since I've been using the Conklin products in the cornfield, I've just seen a consistent yield increase from what I was doing before, year after year, and at less input costs.